In this video, I would like to explain how to solve simultaneous equations using substitution method. It's important to know because in some exams, they ask you to use the substitution. So let's do it. Substitution means we need to make one of them the subject, x or y. Now, if we look at the equation down here, it's easy to make y the subject, right? So let's do that. What I will do is I'll do plus y here and plus y there. So 3x equal, because this is gone, equals 4 plus y. Then I will do minus 4 here and minus 4 there to cancel this. So I will have on this right side, I'll just have y equals 3x minus 4. This is very good. Now we make y, we did make y the subject, which is good. After you do that, you need to substitute this value in one of the equations, in the other one. Since we use this equation to make y the subject, we will substitute it in the other one. So let's just write the equation down here. So x plus 2y equal 13, right? Now, the value of y is this, 3x minus 4. So instead of this y, I write 3x minus 4. So let's rewrite the equation. So x plus 2, instead of y, I write the value of y, which is 3x minus 4, and then it's equals to 13. This is now more than half of the solution. So let's solve this equation. So we have x plus, multiply the 2 here, 2 times 3x is 6x, minus 2 times 4 is 8, equal 13. That's very good. Now add 6x plus x is 7x, minus 8 is equal to 13, plus 8, plus 8. If you are not sure what I'm doing now in solving this linear equation, why did I do plus 8? There is a video explaining how to solve the linear equation. You can watch that. So 7x equal, because this is gone, so 13 plus 8 is 21, right? Divide by 7, divide by 7. This is cancelled. Now x equal 21 divided by 7 is 3. That's good. We got x, but then we need to find y. Do you remember the value of y up here? 3x minus 4 equal y. So what I will do, this was the value of y, so it's 3x minus 4 equal y. I'll just substitute the value of x. What do we get? X is 3. So instead of this x, I'll use 3. So y will equal 3 times 3 minus 4. Y equal 3 times 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 1. Now we got the x and y. And that's it. Now I want you to please try this and post your answer in the comments. And also in the description there is a file. It's like homework or just practice questions. You can do that. And that's all for this video. Thank you for following. Bye.